So today our mechanical engineering students, Mr. Kirtivasan, Mahesh and Prajwal, Pranav and Kishore Vijay, they are going to discuss about that case study topic of advancement in automobiles. That we'll see.
So now we are going to discuss about the future trends and like in from the old age till now how the automobile advancement. We used to have a horse like kettle. We have a horse kettle like they will ride in that. It cannot turn right and left. The wheel only rotate in straight motion. After that they invented like the wheel can move in any side. One side wheel will stop and the other wheel will go so that they can turn around. After that the advancement came in battery. The battery has been vehicle has been introduced in the early 1960s itself, before itself, but now only it has been future came. After that, now we are came into electric, like hybrid vehicles, and now they are planning with hydrogen cylinders, like using hydrogen fuel to run further in Malaysia.
As Keith also said, we have had a great development in the transporting system, but let's see about the old ancient time what they used. First, the engine like old age iron age like this they invented the wheel, and it was developed into the steam engines. As in the British time, the steam engines was invented and it was used for the trains as steam engines because after some times because of the coal cannot be found. Like this, the cost estimations. Like this, they invented the petrol engine, which was the like this IC engine, which is classified IC engine and heat engines. There are many types of engines. The IC engine, and they classified into petrol and diesel engines. They like it both. Petrol engine, which is used for high efficiency, and diesel engine, which is used for high torque purposes. Like this, the engines are made up. And so, when it comes to the engines, even the engines have disadvantages as a high complex structure, and the initial cost and the fix of the engines only the skilled laborers can do that like this. So we need to move to the next stage of the evolution, and articles will be presented.
Like running to the next stages, we can classify the evolution of automobile into 4 stages. The first stage is, as Keith said, it's a cattle stage. We run vehicles through horses, cows, like the cattle. And the second stage we will come to the IC engines, like oils and gases will run the engine. And the third stage we will go to the battery-based vehicles. And now in the futuristic, recent researches are going on in the hydrogen cylinder engines. So hydrogen gas is used, so the engine is running. That's the latest step. And while as Keith said, the battery vehicles are introduced in 1966, but it's booming in India right now. So how it was introduced in 1960s, and then why they are booming right now means, let's get into know something interesting. The batteries will have in the past that has more charging capabilities that are all very good. But comparatively, while nowadays the batteries will charge fastly and then it will store the energy for more number of times. So that's the main reason the battery cars and the electric vehicles are booming nowadays. So that's the current stage in which we are going. And the batteries are also planned to implement in the trucks, heavy vehicles also. So how we are saying how the heavy vehicles can run in battery in such energy. So that's also planning and researching by Volvo and some multinational brands. So they are researching running the heavy vehicles in a battery mode. So that's the major evolution in the present. Further will be explained later.
So not only the IC engines have a greater advancement, but also the structural rigidity and other spare parts of automobiles have also gone totally advanced. So if we compare now, the current cars have more structural rigidity and also life-saving capabilities like airbags, seatbelt features, and tire tread capabilities on multi-terrain. So these advancements have led to exploration of so many regions, and mostly the refinements of the engine, the sound, everything has been advanced from the past 50 years. So if we take the current cars, it has some 5-star capabilities, NCAPs, and so many like that, and material advancements also. In those days, they were using steels and iron for making IC engine, which was so heavy, which makes the cars weight also heavy and reduces the mileage. But now we are using aluminium, like that, more advanced materials, and also engine refinement. So other advancement will be discussed by
As per your said, so basically a car is a transport which is used to transport a thing one place to another. This is the way to it. So it should be reliable and economical to the persons who are using. In the early stages, every car is higher in the price and all the things. I saying by inflations and all the things. And the combustor is on over 2 to 3 lakhs on the stage. When we compare it to this time, it more than 20 to 30 lakhs. So,